Hello dear friends. Today I want to introduce our first trading bot for Polymarket. It is based on a risk-free strategy for trading in the cryptocurrency market. The bot works in the markets for 5 and 15 minutes. You can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum or other currencies available on Polymarket. This is the final version that we have been developing for a long time. So we are ready to demonstrate its work in the real market in live mode. This robot starts trading only in the next market window. So now we are waiting for the start of a new market in 5 minutes. This bot works according to the Arbitrage 2.0 system, which we ourselves applied and invented. We open the first leg based on the predictor result. The predictor evaluates the state of the market and gives us a direction. If we see a reversal, we immediately place a limit order on the reverse side. And here we have two scenarios. Or we take a large profit immediately during one market. Or we cover the loss in the opposite direction due to the amount of the transaction and exit the market with a small profit. This arbitration is beneficial because we place a limit order and it asks for less commission. So we take a profit. In the settings, we can specify the amount of transactions, the aggressiveness of orders, and which part of the balance to use for trading. The size of the hedge is always fixed, and the directional profit depends on the entry point into the market. We help with the installation and configuration of the bot. Write to us and we will help. We continue trading. Unlike many bloggers who offer their strategies and bots, we are not afraid to trade our bots and show the entire trading process. To trade, you can start at $50. We recommend using the two most stable markets, Bitcoin and Ethereum. These markets have good order occupancy and active movements. It doesn't matter to us which direction it will be, since we either take large profits in the directional rate if the market moves sharply in one direction, or we fix a small profit on the hedge and move on to the next market. The robot has an auto-redeem function. We explain to our users how to use auto-redeem, which is convenient if you want to leave the bot overnight and go to rest. We have been developing for a long time, but only recently decided to open a channel. We will have many different videos with bots, both with and without arbitration. Subscribe to receive information about new bots. You can also order a turnkey bot development from us. We use only the official Polymarket libraries and the bots are absolutely safe for your device. An arbitrage strategy is good because you don't risk your balance. We are not interested in how the event will end. In any case, we will be able to take a fixed portion of the profit. This strategy can only be used in a bot, and you won't be able to trade manually. With the help of a bot, you can scale this strategy and make a good profit per day. All our bots will be tested on MoneyLive and here we will show you how they work. Classic arbitrage. When you immediately place two deals on taker commissions, is no longer profitable. We recommend using our strategy and placing the second foot only on a limit order, as the commission on limit orders is lower and you get more profit. Plus, if the market is unidirectional, you won't have to place a second bet at all and you'll get more profit from directional movement. We will be glad to answer your questions. Our contacts. The bot has a special script that allows you to receive data from WebSocket Polymarket with almost no delay. This ensures fast filling of orders and high speed of placing orders at the right prices. A good home solution for those who want to use a bot on their computer without using a VPS. This can be called a farming bot. You open positions on each market window and get a small or large bot. In 5-minute markets, the price can go both ways. So an arbitrage strategy will most often work. They don't want to show this bot publicly because many people earn money with it quietly. But we want to show how it works live and prove that it really works. If you like this video, please like it. We will be glad for your support. And in the comments you can write your questions. We always answer.